Welcome to the tutorial here where I'm going to explain how to use Zotero's plugin for Microsoft Word in order to do inline citations and then have it actually build your entire bibliography for you. So for this, I'm assuming you already have Zotero loaded onto your computer and that you've already populated it with a project or a collection. In this case, this is a paper I'm working on for the effects of socioeconomic status on student achievements. And so I'm assuming that you already have all of that in place and that you have a Microsoft Word, the plugin, already installed. And you'll know it's installed if you can get access to that Zotero tab right there. I'm doing this on a Mac, and so this might look slightly different if you have a Windows PC or a Chromebook, but the bones of it will still work. So for this example, I'm just going to throw some text from one of the studies in just to use, and I'm going to go ahead and click over to Zotero. So if you tried to click a bibliography right now, it would not actually let you because it builds your bibliography list from only those things that you've chosen to cite. So I'm going to show you three different methods of citing and tell you which one is my preferred. So I like to first hit a space to give me room in there for the proper spacing, and it's going to first ask you which style guide you'd prefer. I'm going to be using the APA 7th edition, but there is MLA and APA and all of the Chicago manual available, and you can actually add more if you needed to. So we're going to use the 7th edition, and so for everything that it's about to do, it is going to have, now this is a quirk, normally you'll see this does not always do this, but so for this particular instance, anytime you can search any of the tags that are available in any of the studies. So if I say CalDOS, I will be able to find that paper that you see up at the top, and all I have to do is hit enter, and you'll see it is now inserted the correct citation. So you'll see what it does normally here. If I hit space again and hit that button, normally it just pops up with the red there. Now, I don't actually like having to remember all of the things that are in the metadata, so I prefer to actually go to the classic view, which opens up and allows you to select exactly which source you would like. It also allows you to add page numbers, which can be pretty handy. So we'll say that that's from page 123. And as you can see, it did in fact cite it as such. We'll go to the next statement here and insert. And the other thing that view allows you to do is down in that bottom left corner. It'll say multiple sources. And so say if I was paraphrasing a source, but I was actually paraphrasing two different sources that agreed on something or disagreed, I could select them both, and it will insert a correctly formatted double citation. So that's our three methods. Again, the first method is that you can use the search feature and find the appropriate paper and cite it. The second way is to use the classic view and scroll through your library and sort it or cite it that way. And lastly is that you can combine those two things. So now that you have a properly cited document, the next step that we're going to do is to make a bibliography. And so this becomes very easy, and all you have to do is go back up to your Zotero and click add a bibliography, and there we go. Properly formatted with exactly the sources that I used in the paper, even in alphabetical order. And there you have it. So that's your three different ways that you can use the add citation and the quick and easy way to add a bibliography into your work. Hope you have a great time and good luck studying.